Maybe he needs his coach.
All you got is 15 minutes. Can you be strong for 15 minutes? Can you? Listen, your concentration is weaving a little bit. Pick it up. Pick it up! Don't pull straight out. Bend your knees to be strong on the inside and go around them. Let's control the outside. Look, the fire's coming. Are you ready for the fire? Look, we're firemen. Okay. We are firemen! The heat doesn't bother us. We live in the heat. We train in the heat.
Yeah, let's go.
It tells us that we're ready. We're at home. We're where we're supposed to be. Flames don't intimidate us. What do? We control the flame. We control them. We move the flame where we want to.
Let's go.
And then we extinguish them.